Hello everyone. In this video, let's look into transformation of trigonometric function questions from the 2022 past papers. This question is from the paper 11 MJ22. The curve y is equal to sin x is transformed to the curve y is equal to 4 sine 1 over 2x minus 30 degree. Describe fully a sequence of transformations that have been combined, making clear the order in which the transformations are applied. So the given curve is y is equal to sin x is transformed to the curve y is equal to 4 sine of 1 over 2x minus 30 degree. So in this transformation, we can see there is a horizontal as well as a vertical transformation. So there are two horizontal transformation and one vertical transformation. So if the transformation is one vertical, another is horizontal, you can do in any of the order. But if the transformation both are horizontal, we have to follow the order. So here of x minus 30 degree, both are horizontal transformation, so we have to start the order from here. Okay, as the translation along the x-axis by 30 degree. Translation with the vector (30°) and along y is 0, so 30 degree and 0. Next is a stretching. It is stretched along the x-axis with the scaling factor 2. Along x direction. The scaling factor or the stretching factor as 2. Next is 4, which is also a stretching factor along the y direction. The next part of the question is find the exact solutions of the equation 4 sine of 1 over 2x minus 30 degree equal to 2 square root of 2. So we can write 4 sine 1 over 2x minus 30 degree equal to 2 square root of 2. Now bring the 4 to the other side. So sine 1 over 2x minus 30 degree equal to 2 square root of 2 divided by 4. And this is nothing but 2 divided by 4 is 1 over 2. And square root of 2 divided by 2 is 1 over square root of 2. So the next step is 1 over 2x minus 30 equal to sine inverse of 1 over square root of 2. Sine 45 is 1 over square root of 2. So 1 over 2x minus 30 is equal to 45 degree. Okay, and the sign is positive in the second quadrant also. So 90 plus 45, which is 135. 1 over 2x minus 30 degree equal to 135 degree also. So 1 over 2x equal to 45. When the negative 30 comes to the other side, you will be getting 45 degree plus 30, which is 75. So x equal to 150 degree, which is within the limit. Next, 1 over 2x equal to 135 plus 30 is 165. So x equal to 330 degree, which is also satisfies this condition. So the solutions are x equal to 150 and x equal to 330. So this question is from the paper 13 MJ22. The diagram shows part of the curve with equation y is equal to p sine q theta plus r, where p, q and r are constants. State the value of p. So here p is nothing but the amplitude. So amplitude is the distance between the maximum or the minimum point to the principal axis. So for this curve, this will be the principal axis. So you can see from here it is 3 unit, or from here also you can calculate 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can take any one. So the value of p is 3. We can say p is the stretching factor along the y direction. Generally the sine curve will have a maximum value of 1. So in this case you can see it is from 1 to minus 2. So it is stretched along the y direction by the unit 3. So p is equal to 3. Next part of the question is state the value of q. Q is nothing but a period of the periodic function, which is the length of one cycle. So generally the sine curve repeats every 2 pi. But if you look into this diagram, in this graph, it repeats from 0 to 4 pi for one cycle. So that means 4 pi divided by 2 pi is 2. So the value of q is 1 over 2. And q is also a stretching factor along the x direction. So q value is 1 over 2. Next part of the question is state the value of r. R is the translation along the y direction. If you look into the sine curve, generally it starts from the value 0 but in this graph we can see it shifted from 0 to -2. That is, it is shifted along the y direction downwards by 2 units. So it is -2